Good day, everyone. I'm Carl Joseph D. Villas from BSTM 2E1, and I'll discuss what I've learned about transportation. Transportation is more than just getting from one place to another. It's a system that shapes how we live, work, and connect with the world. I've learned that it comes in many forms: road, rails, and rivers, and ocean, skies, and even space. Each one plays a role in our daily lives, whether it's a cargo ship delivering food or a simply bicycle ride to school. But I also discovered that transportation has caused traffic congestions, air pollution, and carbon emissions all affects our health and our planet. That's why sustainable transportation matters, like electric vehicles, safe bike lanes, and efficient public transportations or transits. They're not just options, they're solutions. What I've truly learned is this: transportation isn't just about movements, it's about responsibility. How we choose to move shapes the future we live in.